Okay, let me call out the names. Okay. Teja.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Teja.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kanna. Can you see the slide? Is my screen visible?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Patu. Yes, the say me the answer, derive the answer for a question and say me Kanna. First, what step we have to do? We have to add all the ones, right? Yes, add the ones and
6
say me
plus
the answer.
4.
Uh,
After 6,
mm,
7,
mm,
8,
mm,
9,
mm,
10.
mm. Okay, 10. So where I have to write the 0 ones and where I have to write the 110.
Plus 11. 8. 8 plus 1, 9.
Super.
Answer is
Mm.
19.
90. Superb,
90.
Kana.
Answer
Very
is
good.
90.
Very good, Kana. Star for you, Patu. Yes. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Ma.
ma'am.
Welcome, welcome, Kana. Yes. Next, after Teja, it is Abhinav Sai. Yes, I hope so. These children I didn't call out in the last previous class. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Kindly be honest. Okay. Those who didn't get
Okay.
chance alone, you can answer now. Yes. So, yes, Kana. Derive the answer for the B question, ma.
Yeah.
Yes. Abhinav, derive the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
for the B question.
I'm
Add
going
2.
to answer.
Yes, add 2 plus 9, one's column.
2 plus 9, 1,
Hmm.
11. One,
11.
one at the bottom and one on the top
Super,
of
Dakana.
10.
Yes. Okay. So, yes, for the tens value.
10 plus 8.
Super bra, super bra. Very good, Kana. Star for you, ma. Thank you, Abhinav.
Stop,
Next,
stop, stop, stop.
next comes Nandana. Nandana. Nandana.
Jai Gurdev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev
Jai
Nandana.
Gurdev.
Jai Gurudev. Yes, yeah, this is a subtraction. Okay. I hope so you know the subtraction. Okay, it's a normal subtraction. Give me the answer for the ones place. Subtraction, okay? Before numbers, backward counting, subtraction.
Before 2,
Hmm. 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger,
before
before 9. Hmm.
8, 7.
Super. So the answer is 7. Okay, yes. Give the value for the tens place.
4 in the mind, 1
Hmm.
in the finger.
Hmm.
Before 4,
Hmm.
3.
Superb, ma. Very good. Star for you. Yes, thank you, Nandana. Yes, then Samrish, CB. Samrish, CB. Happy birthday. Yella sir. Samresh. Happy birthday. Samresh, are you there? Samresh. Okay, Kavicharan. Kavicharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kavicharan, I have given you a sum right here. Yes, derive the answer for A question. Subtraction. Before number, backward counting.
Subtraction. 56 minus 40.
50, 56 minus 40. 56 minus 40. 6. 6,
Six. Very
ma'am.
good. Okay. Yes, answer for the tens, please.
1, ma'am.
One. Very good, Kana. Star for you, ma. Yes. Kavicharan. Kanitra. Kanitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanitra, derive the answer for B question.
Zero.
Yes, dear. Kindly answer for the B question. Kanitra.
So minus zero equals 0.
What is this?
0, ma'am.
Zero. Yes. Then move on to the tens place.
7 minus 2.
Yes.
5.
Very good. Superb. Superb, dear. Superb. Star for you. 50 is the answer. Yes. Very good. Harshan G. Very good, Kanitra. Thank you so much. Harshan G. Followed by Lingesh, Rayan, Shadjit Krishna, Shravan, Shreyas. From 1E. Harshan followed by Lingesh, Rayan, Sharjit, Shravan, Shreyas. Is anyone there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Who's speaking? Shreyas. Yes, Shreyas.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. Yes, tell me the increasing order. Increasing order means?
Small to big.
Very good. Arrange it. Arrange the values.
42, ma'am.
Is it 42?
44.
What number?
24, ma'am.
Yes. Then what comes next?
5, ma'am. 56.
Yes. Then
62, ma'am.
yes. Superb. Then the last one.
97.
Yes. Very good. Superb. Start for you. Thank you.
Ma'am.
You're welcome, dear. You're welcome. Yes. The other children. Is anyone there?
Yes, ma'am.
Shravan.
7.
Yes, Shravan. Do the B sum.
18.
Increasing order.
Small to big.
Arrange.
13.
Yes.
49.
Yes.
18.
81.
81.
Hmm.
91.
Very good. Superb. Stuff for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Superb. Thank you, dear. Pratanya. Pratanya followed by Sahita, Satakshi, Sharvina, Varnika, Vishmita.
Ma'am, I was here, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Mokshita, is it Mokshita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Mokshita.
Ma'am, I Sagitya, ma'am.
Sahitya. Sahitya can answer now. Others kindly mute. Sahitya can answer. Yes, Sahitya. Do the decreasing order. Decreasing order. Decreasing order means yes.
Ma'am,
Sa-
75, ma'am.
yes, it is from big to small. Yes, very good. Superb. What comes next?
52, ma'am.
Yes, then
34, ma'am.
yes. What is the last value?
36, ma'am. 26, ma'am.
Yes, superb. Star for you. Thank you, dear. You're welcome. Yes, other children, whoever has been called out, are you there?
Ma'am, Mokshita, ma'am.
Mokshita's already answered, right, in the last class. It is
No,
a
ma'am.
continuation. It is a continuation of last class, dear. Already whoever's answered in the last class, kindly give chance to the persons who have not answered and open their mouth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, dear. Yes, Puvili's answered.
When, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Puvili is already answered, dear. Nehan, whoever is not answered, kindly unmute and say your name and answer. Sai
Ma'am,
Krishnan,
ma'am.
You can tell loudly, right? Tell loudly.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. This is Nathan.
Nehan, Nehan, you have answered, right? Okay, I call out the names again. Harshan, Lingesh, Ryan, Sharjit, Shravan, Pratanya, Satakshi,
Sadhana, ma'am.
Sadhana.
82.
Yes,
82, ma'am.
I will call out the names. Whoever is not answered, kindly unmute. Whoever I have not called, I will call out now. Other children, kindly cooperate.
Nathan, ma'am.
Yes, yes, from one F.
82.
From 1F children, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish, Mitresh, Mithun, Mohammad Alman, Sanjay, Harshika, Kavyashri, Pritanyashri, Sanjana, Tejaswi. The children, whoever I've called out, is anyone there? Kindly unmute. One more time, I will repeat the children from 1F. Krishwant, Lohit, Manish, Mitresh, Mithun, Mohammad, Alman, Sanjay, Harshika, Kavyashri, Pratyangashri, Sanjana, Tejaswi. Yes, no one is here, or you don't want to answer. This is for your LSRW children. Kindly unmute and answer.
Ranganathan, ma'am.
Ranganathan. Ranganathan is already answered, dear. Let's give chance for the others.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Samudri is also answered in the previous class. Give chance for the other children. As you have answered, the other children also should have answered, right? So let's give chance for the others who have not opened their mouth at all. Yes. I repeat the children from 1E again. Harshan, Lingesh, Rayan, Sharjit, Shravan, Pratanya, Sahita, Satakshi, Sharvina, Varnika, Vishmita from 1E. From 1F, Krishwant, Lohit, Manish, Mitresh, Mithun, Mohammed Alman, Sanjay, Harshika, Kavyashri, Pritingashri, Sanjana, Tejaswi.
Ma'am, Ojeshri said.
Who's it?
Ojeshri, ma'am.
Ojasvi.
Jai good day, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Okay, let your friends come and join later. So whoever's given the names in the chat box, I will be calling. Okay, do the B sum, dear.
82, ma'am.
82, then.
63, ma'am.
Then.
22, ma'am.
Yes. Then.
50, ma'am.
Yes.
10,
Superb.
ma'am.
Very good. Superb. Start for you. Yes. The
Thank you,
children.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear. Thank you. Yes. So, the children, whoever have called, whoever is not unmuted, you will not get the chance again. So, LSRW is going to be ended by today. We will not be calling the names again. So, if you have not answered, kindly unmute and answer. This has been included for your assessment. Yes, next. Samudri followed by Sadhana. Samudri?
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. Yes, can you do the decreasing order?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. What, ma'am?
Yes, do the decreasing order. Is my screen visible?
Visible, ma'am.
Yes, do the first one, A1.
17, 17, 15.
Where are those numbers, dear? Where are those numbers?
Ma'am.
Where are those numbers? Which one you are doing? I asked you to do the first flower.
Sadhana, ma'am.
Yes, Sadhana.
78,
Mm.
56,
Mm.
23,
Mm.
41,
41 or 14?
40.
Mm. Superb. Start for you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Who's going to answer?
Ma'am.
Smithika. Smita.
9
Smita.
o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Yes. Can you give a chance for the others? You can answer only one so that your friends also are eager to answer, right? Very good, but very good. Superb. Star for you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, 12.
Yes, dear. Very good. Superb. Is my white screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I want all my children to give answers only in the chat box. Okay. Are you all ready? I want only answers in the chat box. Okay. Everyone can answer only in the chat box. What is the time?
And 3 o'clock.
I will not encourage whoever is unmuting. I want answers only in the chat box. Yes, very good, children. Whoever has answered in the chat box, very good. Superb. You can either represent it in digital way or reading way. Okay? Okay. Are you all ready for the next? Yes. What is the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Superb. Superb, dear. Kanitra, Nandana, very good. Superb. Sai Lakshmi, Puvili, yes. Krishav, it is 4 or 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, ma'am.
Very good. Superb. Yes. Now you're going to tell me if it is 9 o'clock, in which number the shorthand will be. If it is 9 o'clock, listen to the question very carefully. If it is 9 o'clock, in which number the shorthand will be, the R hand? Yes, very good children. Superb. Sai Lakshmi, Sai Krishnan, Kanitra, Meenakshi, Sai Lakshmi, yes, Mahavidya, Nandana Shri, Nandana, yes, very good children. Superb. Yes, I want answers in a digital way. For this, I want only in the digital way. Can you give the answers in the chat box? Can you say the time in the digital way? Yes, very good children. Superb. In a digital way. Yes, very good. 8 hours 00 minutes. Wow. Superb. Yes. Now let's do the calculation to find out the total cost. Okay? You will be doing the total cost and telling me the answer. Ma'am is going to just read out the question. So listen to the question very carefully and then find me the total cost and tell me. Okay? Are you all ready? I want answers only in the chat box. Okay, children? Yes, take your rough work or rough note to calculate the total cost. cost of the notebook is rupee 25. The cost of the notebook is rupee 25. And cost of box, pencil box, cost of pencil box is rupees 15. So you're going and purchasing one notebook and one pencil box. Yes, cost of notebook is rupees 25 and cost of pencil box is rupees 15. So what is the total cost? What is the total cost? No, Puvili. Cost of notebook, yes, very good. Sahitya, Meenakshi, yes, very good, superb. Nandana, yes, 25 plus 15 rupee, that gives you 40 rupees. Very good, children. So all are listening also. Very good, superb. Yes. So let's do one more sum. Listen to it very carefully. Cost of the chart. Cost of the chart is rupees 10. Cost of the chart is rupees 10.
Ma'am.
You can do it in your rough work and tell me the total cost.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Cost of the chart is rupees 10. Cost of the marker is rupees 15. What is the total cost? Yes, very good, Satvika, Nandana. Yes, very good.
25.
I want answers only in the chat box. Very good, superb, dear, superb. Jay Puvili, yes. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Now, whenever you go to the shop, if you ask something, you will say the total cost to your parents, and your parents will pay the total cost and get you the things. Okay? Is it okay for everyone? Whichever product you're asking to buy, you will add the total cost and tell your parents how much you should pay. Okay? Yes. Yes. So can we say the tables? Can we say the tables from 2 table to 5 table? Yes. I want the names in the chat box. Who comes first will get the. Yes. Now the first one, Shayan is unmuted. So you can say the table 2. 2 table.
2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 18. 2 nines are 16. 2 tens are 20. 2 elevens are 22. 2 12s are 24.
Very good. Superb, dear. Superb. Thank you. Yes, who's ready to yes, you're welcome, dear. Who's ready to tell 3 table? The first come will unmute. Yes, Meenakshi is unmuted.
3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 3 elevens are 33. 3 twelves are 36.
Very good. Superb, dear. Yes, super fast express. Very good. Super.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, dear. Yes, who's ready with 4 table?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, who's that? Samrish. Yes. Yes, Samrish. Yes, Samrish.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are
4 threes are 12. Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear, dear. No. Yes. Yes, Kanitra and Teja, can you unmute yourself? Yes, dear. Thank you, dear. Your voice is not clear. Kanitra and Teja can unmute themselves and tell table 4. Yes, I want everyone to mute yourself. Yes, enough. All are unmuting yourself. Then I will not give chance. I want everyone to be on mute. Yes, go on mute, children. Let's recite the table together. Yes, I want. Thank you. So now everyone, all my lovely children will tell the table along with ma'am without unmuting your mic. Okay? Yes. Let's say table 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are
4 twos are
Yes, Krishiv. Yes, Krishiv can go slow so that others also will repeat along with you. Yes, your friend Krishiv is telling 4 table, so others will repeat along with Krishiv. Okay.
4 ones are 4.
Yes, Krishiv, continue, dear.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 9.
4 threes are 12.
4 threes are 12.
4 fours are
4
16.
fours are 16. 4 fives are 20.
4 fives are 20.
4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 30.
2.
22.
32.
32.
4 nines are
4 nines are
36.
36. 46.
4 tens are
4 tens
4 tens are 40. 4 elevens are
4 elevens are
44.
44.
4 twelves are
4 twelves are
48.
48.
Yes, thank you. Yes, what is Padmesh doing in the chat box? Can you unmute? Padmesh can unmute yourself. Padmesh of 1F. Padmesh of 1F will say the table 5. Yes, Padmesh of 1F will unmute yourself and say table 5. Yes, quick.
Take the
Yes, Teja, kindly wait here. Your friend Padmesh will answer now. Yes, Padmesh is not ready to unmute yourself. Then why are you playing in the chat box? Yes, now let's say the table 5 together. Teja will tell, others will repeat. Yes, Teja. Teja, unmute yourself and say others will repeat along with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. 5 table.
5 are 5. 2 5 are 10. 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are
6 5s are
5s are 30,
mm.
7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55, 12 5s are 60.
Very good, superb. Yes, children, you can. Who's that singing the song? Yes, Manish, can you mute your mic? Yes, say the six table, Manish. Manish, stop playing. Yes, Manish, stop playing. Yes. Yes, children, during the online class, I don't want anyone playing in the chat box and playing some musics. Yes. If you are interested to listen the class, you can stay inside. Yes.
Ma'am, 2 tables, ma'am.
You want to say two table? Who's that?
Magavidya.
Mahavidya. Yes, Mahavidya. You can say.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24.
Yes, very good. Superb, dear. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, dear. So
Ma'am,
you
I
can.
got this 4 table.
Four table. You want to tell four table? Yes.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 20, 33, 32,
30? 32.
4
Then
9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48.
very good. Superb, dear. Yes, Meenakshi can unmute your mic and
Ma'am.
you want to tell. Yes, welcome, dear. You want to tell six table? Yes. Let's
Ma'am,
listen to
6
Meenakshi.
1s are
Yes.
6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72.
Yes, very good. Superb. Relax for some
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Superb,
Thank
dear.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, it's time to end our session. I want all my children to practice the tables regularly.